Logistic Route Planning classify the delivery points by GPS coordinates with machine learning. Research where you can build warehouse to reduce the expenses of the logistic routes and improve the customer service. Do business intelligence to the route segments for delivery time and volume to optimize the fleet management. This is an application that you can find on this book of data forecasting and segmentation using Microsoft Excel. The link to buy in Amazon is on this post, and we are going to see how to do this analysis where you can check that it is very difficult to identify what is the most demanding sector for the logistic routes. Here you can see that on red they are the routes of the delivery points, and it is very difficult to identify when you have hundreds or thousands of delivery points. So with machine learning we can find the groups of logistics routes to optimize the delivery. The objective is that we are going to make an analysis, a running of machine learning, and we are going to apply grouping statistics to find what are the groups of the deliveries that we can classify by grouping them, and the delivery points are on the map. Note that it is very difficult to identify what are the sectors that demand more of our logistics structure. Machine learning applied for grouping statistics, we can find the most demanding points of delivery and improve logistic planning, like we can see in this figure where the algorithm already classify what are the groups of our logistic groups, like here, group 1, group 2, and group 3. And from these results, we can explore if it is possible to build product warehouse to attend the demands in these regions. You can see that instead of sending trucks all over this area on the map, we can start building warehouse on each headquarters of each group, and we can save a lot of money because we are going to avoid to use trucks to running large distance. Here we can see that the groups with more deliveries per product from group 1, group 2, and group 3, we can see that the products that we are the group that is delivering more products is group number 2. So this is the group number 2. So this is the candidate to build a warehouse where we are using more the logistic infrastructure. So we can analyze to build a warehouse or build a dedicated route to this group to attend this high demand of products for this region. Okay, so this is how we classify, and we use this machine learning to classify the logistics. Also, we can see that we have the variable of the travel time, and we can check that also group number 2, it is demanding more time of delivery of our logistic infrastructure. So it is a good idea to build this warehouse because this group it is concentrating the most quantity of product delivery, and also we are spending a lot of time on route delivering these products. So remember that we can review all these topics and how to do this, how to apply all this theory of machine learning by reading this book in data forecasting and segmentation using Microsoft Excel, and the link it is on the post of this video.